Welcome to Protect Nature. Here, we will witness haunting images of the terrible devastation caused by hurricanes and floods. The destructive power of nature will be revealed through hurricanes that tear everything apart and floods that sweep away entire cities, leaving behind unimaginable devastation. Each image, each film and story on Protect Nature is not only a testament to the power of nature, but also a practical warning. Our actions can help reduce the impact of climate change and protect this precious planet. Let's explore together to better understand the challenges we are facing and find practical solutions to protect the Earth. Are you ready? Start now. Heavy rain caused the ground to crumble, large pieces slowly sliding down with a terrifying rustling sound. Big storm blew the roof off. Oh my God! The bus is stuck in the raging floodwater. It's scary. The floodwaters rushed into the village carrying mud and rubbish. The storm was so strong that the car was knocked over. Floodwaters swept deep into town carrying mud and rubbish. The huge avalanche brought with it a cloud of snow. The scene was immersed in a white curtain of rain. The storm was terrible. The flood is pouring into the town. The water is rushing, and it is terrifying. The giant tornado appears as a black vortex, curling from the ground up to the sky. The storm flooded the streets, causing serious traffic disruption. The forest fire spread with strong winds. It was terrifying. The consequences of the storm were terrible. The house was severely damaged. Floodwaters flowed rapidly, blocking traffic. Oh my God! Terrible floods are sweeping through town and severely inundating the infrastructure. Floods are really scary. Terrible, huge tornadoes form. Dark clouds cover the sky. Avalanches break out in the ice and gradually sink into the sea. Flood inundated the roads, making traffic inconvenient. Oh my God! The house is being washed away by floodwater. The volcano erupted violently, with smoke billowing all around. The giant wave rolled and crashed against the shore with destructive force, as if it wanted to swallow everything in its path. The fierce storm howled, tearing and blowing away the windows in its fury. Oh my God, a giant tornado is about to hit town. The volcano erupted with red-hot lava, while the sea below boiled, creating a fierce and powerful scene. The ferocious flood is coming, sweeping everything away and destroying the small town in the blink of an eye. giant tornado is destroying everything. The flood left behind severe consequences, with houses and infrastructure severely damaged. Oh my God, the landslide is coming down. The storm was roaring, raging fiercely, sweeping away everything in its path. The flood was raging, submerging the small town in a sea of raging water. The floodwaters swept into the town, rising and rushing, carrying rocks and soil along the fast-flowing road. Oh my God, the car is being swept away by the flood. A massive landslide is rumbling, sending rocks and soil tumbling down with unstoppable force. Floodwaters rushed into the town. Rising water quickly submerged all the roads. The volcano near the coast erupted with red-hot lava, causing the seawater to boil and steam violently. Strong waves crashing on the shore signaled an impending storm. The pitch-black tornado is swirling violently, engulfing the entire city in its fury. Oh my God, the giant hill was crashing down with a loud crash, pouring down onto the road like an unstoppable fury. The torrential flood caused landslides on the riverbank. The volcano is erupting with red-hot lava flowing from the crater, so majestic. Floodwaters rose rapidly, turning the roads into muddy rivers. The raging flood swept into the town, sweeping away everything in its path. Icebergs are cracking and rising to the surface, signaling that global temperatures are rising. The flood brought with it a terrible flow of mud. The icebergs are breaking off and drifting in all directions. Floods swept into the town, carrying mud and causing serious damage. Prolonged rain and storms flooded the city, damaging infrastructure and homes. The edge of the mountain avalanche fell off and fell into the sea. Large rocks rolled down the mountain slope onto the road, endangering passing vehicles. White rain covered everywhere. The storm was terrible. Thank you for joining Protect Nature on our journey to understand the terrifying power of natural disasters and their profound impact on the environment. We have witnessed the devastating effects of typhoons, tsunamis, and landslides, and learned valuable lessons about human resilience and resilience. Your interest and passion are a powerful source of motivation for us to continue our mission of protecting the environment towards a sustainable and safe future for all. Together, we will continue to work towards a healthy and hopeful planet.